All right, staying on the course, but with netball now, Jamaica's Sunshine Girls now trail 2-0 in their three-match test series against Australia after going down 73-41 in Perth on Sunday morning Jamaica time. The Diamonds had a 20-8 lead at the end of the first quarter before outscoring the Sunshine Girls 15-12 in the second quarter for a 35-20 halftime lead. The third quarter was more of the same, with the Aussies coming out on top 19-13 to extend their lead 54-33. The Sunshine Girls were no match for the hosts, who won the final quarter 19-8 for the 32-goal victory. Goal shooter Giselle Allison was the most accurate for the Sunshine Girls, leading the way with 16 goals from 18 attempts. Allison was supported by Simone Gordon with 13 from 19 and goal attack Shanice Beckford, who added 11 from 15. Jamaica are without regular star shooters Janelle Fowler-Nemhard, Romelda Aiken-George and Shimona Jacques. Game 3 is set for Melbourne on Friday morning, Jamaica time.